Imagine you're building a skyscraper. You've got the blueprints, the land, and the ambition, but you're standing there, staring at two massive cranes. One is a seasoned veteran, powerful, with a history of lifting the heaviest loads. The other, a sleek, modern machine, agile and designed for the future. Which crane do you choose? Which one will build your skyscraper faster, stronger, and more efficiently? That, in essence, is the question we're tackling today: SAP versus NetSuite. Two titans of the enterprise resource planning, ERP world, each promising to revolutionize how businesses operate. But which one is truly better? Which one deserves your investment, your trust, and your future? Let's be honest, if you're watching this, you're likely grappling with a significant decision. You're probably a business owner, a CIO, or someone deeply involved in choosing the backbone of your company's operations. You're not looking for fluffy comparisons or vague opinions. You want the hard facts, the real-world scenarios, and the insights that will help you make an informed choice. And that's precisely what we're going to deliver. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. ERP systems, at their core, are designed to integrate and manage core business processes. Think of it as the central nervous system of your company, connecting everything from finance and accounting to supply chain, manufacturing, and customer relationship management. The right ERP can streamline operations, improve efficiency, and provide crucial insights for strategic decision-making. The wrong one, well, that can lead to chaos, cost overruns, and ultimately a competitive disadvantage. SAP, the elder statesman, has been around for decades. It's a behemoth, a global powerhouse with a vast ecosystem of partners and a reputation for handling complex, enterprise-level operations. It's the crane that's been lifting the heaviest loads for years. NetSuite, on the other hand, is the cloud-native disruptor. It's agile, scalable, and designed for the modern, fast-paced business environment. It's the sleek, modern crane, built for the future. So where do we begin? Let's break down the key areas where these two platforms go head-to-head. 1. Deployment and scalability. SAP historically has been known for its on-premise deployments. This means you're responsible for the hardware, the infrastructure, and the ongoing maintenance. It's like owning a massive custom-built machine. Powerful, yes, but also demanding. In recent years, SAP has made significant strides in offering cloud-based solutions, but its legacy still leans heavily towards on-premise. NetSuite, from its inception, has been a cloud-native platform. This means it's hosted and managed by Oracle, who acquired NetSuite, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. It's like renting a state-of-the-art crane, ready to go when you need it. This cloud-first approach offers significant advantages in terms of scalability, flexibility, and reduced upfront costs. For smaller to medium-sized businesses, and even growing enterprises, NetSuite's cloud-based model offers a clear advantage. The ability to scale up or down based on your business needs, without investing in expensive hardware, is a game-changer. For large, multinational corporations with complex, highly customized requirements, SAP's on-premise or hybrid solutions might still be the preferred choice. 2. Functionality and customization. SAP boasts a comprehensive suite of modules covering virtually every aspect of enterprise operations. From finance and HR to manufacturing and supply chain, SAP has a solution for almost everything. However, this depth of functionality can also be overwhelming, leading to complex implementations and lengthy training periods. NetSuite also offers a wide range of modules, but its focus is on providing a unified platform that integrates seamlessly. It's designed to be more user-friendly and easier to implement, particularly for businesses that want a streamlined, out-of-the-box solution. When it comes to customization, SAP offers a high degree of flexibility. You can tailor the system to meet your specific needs, but this often requires significant technical expertise and can lead to higher implementation costs. NetSuite offers customization options as well, but its focus is on providing a more standardized, configurable platform. For industries with highly specific requirements like aerospace or pharmaceuticals, SAP's extensive customization capabilities might be essential. For businesses that value agility and speed, NetSuite's streamlined approach might be more appealing. 3. Cost and ROI. Cost is a critical factor in any ERP decision. SAP implementations are notorious for their high upfront costs, including software licenses, hardware, implementation services, and ongoing maintenance. While SAP can deliver a strong ROI for large enterprises, the initial investment can be a significant barrier for smaller businesses. NetSuite's cloud-based model offers a more predictable cost structure, with subscription fees based on usage. This can make it more affordable for smaller businesses and provides greater transparency in terms of ongoing costs. However, the total cost of ownership, TCO, is more than just the initial price tag. It also includes factors like implementation time, training, and ongoing maintenance. SAP, while expensive, can deliver significant efficiency gains and cost savings in the long run. NetSuite, with its faster implementation and lower upfront costs, can provide a quicker return on investment. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your budget, your business needs, and your long-term goals. 4. User experience and training. SAP, with its vast functionality, can be complex to navigate. Training is often extensive and requires specialized knowledge. While SAP has made improvements in its user interface, it's still considered less intuitive than NetSuite. NetSuite, with its cloud-based interface, is designed to be more user-friendly and accessible. It's often compared to consumer applications, making it easier for employees to learn and use. Training is generally shorter and less intensive. In today's competitive landscape, user experience is crucial. Employees who are comfortable with the system are more productive and engaged. For businesses that prioritize ease of use and rapid adoption, NetSuite offers a clear advantage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.